If you're planning a trip to Japan in 2025, there are 3 new requirements that could literally get you denied entry at the airport, and most travelers have no idea they exist. In the next 4 minutes, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step checklist that will get you through Japanese customs without a single issue. Let's dive in. Missed forms? Immigration may redirect you to the slow lane. Prepare documents now to avoid delays. 3 essentials. 1. Visit Japan web QR codes. 2. Carry on only for lithium batteries. 3. Keep receipts for tax refunds. First things first, do you even need a visa for Japan? Here's the good news. Most from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and EU visit visa-free for short tourism stays. Visa-free stays are typically up to 90 days for tourism or short business meetings. Ensure your passport stays valid through your trip. Many airlines prefer 6 months validity. But here's where it gets tricky for 2025. Japan has rolled out a digital platform called Visit Japan Web, and it's now mandatory for faster processing. Skip this, and you'll be stuck in the slow line for hours. Create your Visit Japan Web account about 2 weeks before departure. Have ready passport, flight details, and hotel booking confirmations. Go to vjw.digital.go.jp and sign in to start. Verify your email, then secure your account with a strong password. Enter your name, passport number, nationality, and travel dates accurately. Complete the immigration questionnaire honestly. Inconsistent answers may cause delays. Customs. Declare cash over 1 million yen, food items, and prescription medications when required. You'll receive 2 QR codes, immigration and customs. You need both at the airport. Save these QR codes to your phone and print them as backup. Trust me on this. If you're traveling as a family, each person needs their own account, but one person can handle customs for the whole group. Now before we move on, there's one customs mistake that's costing travelers thousands of dollars in fines, and it has to do with something you probably have in your bag right now. I'll reveal what it is in just a minute, but first, okay, here's that customs mistake I mentioned. Alcohol allowance, 3 bottles up to 760 milliliters each tax-free. Tobacco allowance guide, 200 cigarettes or 50 cigars or 250 dri of tobacco. Other goods up to a total of $200,000 are duty-free for personal use. Use Visit Japan Web to pre-declare items and speed up customs on arrival. Here's the costly mistake. Lithium batteries and power banks are restricted in checked baggage. They must be in carry-on only, and each battery can't exceed 160 watt. Most phone power banks are fine, but those massive laptop chargers? Check the rating or leave them home. Prohibited: illegal drugs, firearms or ammo, counterfeit goods, and fresh meat or produce. If you're traveling for business, pay close attention. October 2025 brought major changes. From October 2025, certain business activities require stricter documentation. Confirm visa category before travel. For most tourists, this doesn't affect you. But if you're doing any business activities, consult with an immigration lawyer before you go. Travelers from certain countries with high TB rates must provide health certificates. Check if your country is on the list at the Japanese Embassy website. I'll link it below. Japan is rolling out some seriously cool airport technology in 2025. The old system where you got instant discounts? Gone. Now you pay full price, then claim refunds at the airport. Keep all receipts in a sealed bag provided by stores. Alright, that's everything you must know for entering Japan in 2025. I've created a free downloadable checklist with all these requirements. Link is in the description below. If this saved you from a customs nightmare, smash that like button and subscribe for more Japan travel tips. And speaking of mistakes, my next video covers the 7 biggest Japan travel mistakes that'll waste your money. Click here to watch it now.